All right, for this next video, I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment to the Dropbox. Now, a lot of students seem to have a little bit of trouble with this, so I just want to make sure that it's clear on how to put an assignment into the Dropbox. That way I can mark it and your mark will go to your grades and you'll see all the feedback there right away. It really is the best way to put an assignment in, so if you're having trouble with it, please send me an email, tell me you're having trouble with it, and I'll try and go through it with you. But anyways, here's what you're going to do. I have the tab here at the top, so we're going to click Dropbox. Now, what you'll notice is you'll have a list of all the different Dropboxes that you can put assignments to. So I made a Dropbox orientation for us. These two here, they're going to open tomorrow morning because when I'm doing this video. But I'll show you with the Dropbox orientation how to put an assignment into the Dropbox. So we're going to click on this. And this is the screen that you'll see. It says submit an assignment. And what you're going to do is you're going to click right here where it says add a file. Now you can choose the file where you want to get it from. I'm going to choose my computer and I'm going to upload a file. So then I can go into anything I want, choose the file I want. Let's say I want this one, sure. Open it and then just click add. So it will add it to there and you'll see it like that. It will say add. You can also then record audio so you can say something with it. You can record video with it, or you can type in here and send me a little message to say, hi, this is my assignment. Maybe you've submitted another assignment because you've made some corrections. You can say, here are my corrections. It's up to you how you want to do it. Once you're done that and you're sure that it is there, you're going to click submit. And it will see here, it will show you that it was submitted successfully. It tells you when they submitted it, how big it was, and it says that confirmation email sent successfully. So you should get an email up here that will tell you that you did submit an assignment and it was successful, which is kind of nice. All right, so that is how you submit assignments to the Dropbox.